Hi there, students. A skirmish. To skirmish. Okay, a skirmish is a small fight in a war between a small number of soldiers, but away from the main area of fighting. Okay, there was a short skirmish between between two groups of soldiers. A little fight. Okay, a very minor battle. Yeah, or if you have a skirmish, it's a small fight, avoiding direct major conflict, and that's a skirmish. But then we can also use this more metaphorically, meaning a small argument. There was a legal skirmish between the two lawyers. There was a disagreement. There was a skirmish about who was going to pay the bill. Yeah, a small argument about something. He skirmished with his girlfriend about how this was going to be done. Okay, so it's a little fight, a small argument, but generally not necessarily a physical one. The two gangs lined up in front of each other, and there were one or two small skirmishes on the edge. Okay, so a skirmish in a war, it's a short fight. It's normally not planned, and it happens from away from the main focus. And then to argue about something, the record producer and the artist skirmished about who was going to have the rights to the video. So in a long protracted legal battle, maybe there are various little skirmishes, a brisk clash or encounter, but a skirmish is of it's not very serious. It's of a minor nature. So a clash, a brush, a scrap, a struggle. Yeah. There have been several border skirmishes between India and China in the Himalayas. Yeah. Okay, there haven't been pitched battles, great big battles, but little small fights. There are always political skirmishes within the parliament. Yeah, small battles, differences led to several political skirmishes. The police skirmished with youths on the council estate, so they fought with, but it wasn't a direct major battle. It's a skirmish, a brief battle, and then by extension any minor dispute. Okay, so to skirmish, how formal is this? I think I would probably give it 5.5 informality. Use it just about anywhere. It's a regular verb. They skirmished. They have skirmished on and off all afternoon. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Old French escaramouche, a skirmish, and then that itself comes from Italian scaramuccia, which is, I think, a skirmish as well. Okay, so a skirmish. Yeah, I had a skirmish with my teacher because she didn't like the way I was dressed. Okay, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Skirmish.